Hello guys, I'm Cynthia and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please subscribe and leave the notification bell on so that you can be notified anytime I post. So I'm just going to show you how I achieved this look, and without saying much, let's get into it. So guys, before applying your eyeshadow, always make sure you apply a concealer or an eyeshadow primer, and that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just tapping it in using my Damn Beauty blender. So for my transition shade, I'm using that orange color, and I'll just tap it in on my eyelid.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon
So I'm going in with that shade, and I'll just tap it on top of that orange color. And when applying eyeshadow guys, when you're using a lighter color and a darker color, always start with the lightest color, then you add a darker color. So I decided to go in with a black eyeshadow because I wanted more definition of a darker color on that orange shade. And with the black eyeshadow you can go wrong, like it can be messy. That's why I used a flat brush, tapped it on my eyelid, then just spread it out or tapped it in with a brush. Like that way, at least it's easier to manipulate. So right now I'm cutting my crease, and for cut crease guys, I did a tutorial where I used Vaseline to wipe my eyelid first, and that's what I did, and then you go in with the concealer. So if you want a more detailed tutorial on that, I'll just link the video at the end of this video. Just watch till the end.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
So after setting my concealer in, I'm using that shade Nefertiti on that cut crease. For shimmery shades like this one, you can never use them as transition shade, guys. You only use them on cut crease or just on top of eyeshadow to add shimmer to it. And for shimmery eyeshadows, always use a flat brush or a brush like this one. Don't use a fluffy brush.
Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls.
So right now I'm just filling in the ends of my cut crease using that brown shade that I used on my eyelid. So I'm wiping any fallout and I'll moisturize my face using Vaseline, then just apply my eyeshadow. Guys, like you can see, I already did my eyeliner, and I have a tutorial on that, how to do your inner corner of the eyeliner. I'll just link it at the end of the video.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the...
I'm applying concealer on areas that I want to highlight: the under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Then I'll just tap in. So I'm setting those areas that I highlighted with a lighter shade of setting powder. So right now I'm contouring my face with a darker shade. So guys, for contour, you use a darker shade to contour your cheekbones, around your forehead, and your jaw lines, and also the bridge of your nose. So I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line using the black eyeshadow. So I'm lining my lips, and guys, don't do your lips like this. Yeah, that's me. That's how I used to do my lips. And guys, here's a new way of doing it. Like, you apply the lip liner, then just spread it all over your lips, then apply your lipstick. Like, don't make a straight line around your lips. It looks old-fashioned. I'm applying my lipstick, then I'll just smudge it all over my lips, and guys, you'll just see the transition. Like, there'll be no line of demarcation like the one on the picture. So I decided to go in with an orange lipstick, and I'll also just smudge it on my lips until it's pigmented, like there'll be no any line of demarcation. you'll just see the transition, guys. Always make sure it looks like that. So I'm correcting my lipstick with my concealer and my concealer brush, then I just tap it in, and that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching until this point, guys, and please comment, subscribe, and leave the notification bell on so that you can be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I tried to stop your bomb, but it detonated. And I can't know how